Hey everyone, this is Ian with UnlockThatPhone.com, and I'm going to be showing you an instructional video about how to unlock any BlackBerry in the world. In front of me I have the BlackBerry 9780 from T-Mobile USA, but the directions are going to be the same for all BlackBerries, no matter what country it's from and no matter what carrier it's locked to. The whole process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. To begin, we're going to get the IMEI of the phone, and to do this you need to dial *#06# on the dialer. So I'm going to do that here. Then I'm going to hit the call button. It's going to bring up a box. It's got your 15-digit IMEI in it. You're going to want to write that down, and then you're going to want to go to Manage Connections on the phone. In this case, I can scroll up, and in the Manage Connections, you're going to want to shut everything off. So you want to make sure the mobile network is unchecked. Okay? So it says off in the top right hand corner. You're then going to go to UnlockThatPhone.com, which is our website, and use the drop down menus. Once you've selected the carrier your phone is locked to, the make, which in this case is BlackBerry, and the model, you're going to see the current price and the turnaround time displayed right there on the main page for you. You're going to check out, and within the time stated on the site, you're going to get an email from us with your code. And that email looks just like this. So now you're going to go back to your phone, and on this particular model, we're going to hit the BlackBerry key, open tray. On older models, you can just hit the BlackBerry key and it will bring up all these icons just as well. You're going to go to Options. And we're going to go down to Device, which is right here. Let me focus on this for you. Okay. And then we are going to go to Advanced System Settings, which is right here, and then SIM card. Now, this screen is going to be blank. That's fine. And what we're going to do is just type something into it, just like we're typing a text message. And the letters are going to be MEPD. So follow along with me here. It's M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, and D as in David. Okay, now writing may or may not appear in the background. In this particular case, it did not for me, but if I do it in capitals, it will. Okay, and now we have here in the background SIM, personalization, network. Okay, when the network is shown as active, that means the phone is locked. Okay, so to unlock the phone, go back to the keyboard and type M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, the Alt key, which is below the A, and then the number 2. When done correctly, it's going to bring up a box that says Enter Network MEP Code, and it's going to have a number next to it. In this case, that's how many tries you have left. So I have 10 tries left. So all I'm going to do is go back to the email I have, and there's the code right there. So I'm going to punch it in. Now, there's no need to hit the Alt key before each number, because you can see in the top right hand corner the keyboard is set to numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and punch this in. Give me 1 second. Zero, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 9, 4, 4, 2, and then I'm going to hit the trackpad, and you're going to see it says code accepted. Okay, and now you see here, if I can get the focus back on it, that the network is disabled, which means that the phone is unlocked for any GSM carrier in the world. Okay, now to test this, we're going to go back to the home screen, go back to Manage Connections. In this case, I'm going to go pull this down, and I'm going to hit Restore Connections. And it's going to say no service, but if you give it a second, it will switch over. Let's see here, you're going to get AT&T in just a second. So it's important to keep in mind how easy this process is. On this video, there is actually a link in the description that will show you how to do this again. You don't have to memorize everything I say. And now you'll see here that it wants to correct the time because it's got the network going. And if you look at the top here, AT&T, it's got full signal. This is the BlackBerry 9780 from T-Mobile USA. So just a quick review, guys. In order to unlock your phone, you have to get the IMEI by dialing *#06#. These instructions are good for all BlackBerries, no matter what country it's from in the world. You go to UnlockThatPhone.com, use the drop-down menus to find your phone. You'll get an email once you check out in the specified time that we state on the site. You go to Options, and then you go to the SIM card menu. You'll type M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, and D as in David. And that will cause writing to appear in the background. If it doesn't, just type in capitals, no big deal. And then M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, Alt, and then 2. It's going to ask for the code. You punch it in, code's accepted, and then go back and turn all the connections on your phone on, and you'll see here that it is unlocked and good to go. Thanks for everyone for watching, and we look forward to your business.